Hello everyone, welcome to Mastery. It's Rosario's Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss about 3-column cash book. It is nothing but apart from the cash and bank column, we have one more column for discount. For payment side, receipt side, it is discount allowed, and for payment side, it is discount receipt. Okay, that we have discussed in our previous videos. At the time of full settlement, we may have the discounts. Suppose if we are receiving the payment as a full settlement from our debtor, we may allow some discount. In the same way, when we are making the full payment, full settlement to our creditors, we are also able to avail some discounts from them for our prompt payment. So in order to boost up the prompt payment, we are allowing some discounts. Okay, so this is a nice strategy, but even though it is a good strategy, it is a loss for us. Discount allowed is a loss for us, and discount received is a gain for us. So that loss and gain should be taken into account. Okay, so at the end of the month, we should calculate how much discount that we have paid, how much discount that we have collected. So in order to calculate all those things, we are having a 3-column. We are preparing the 3-column cash book. Okay, so here I have an example. On 20th, amount received from Raj of rupees 4950 by allowing discount of rupees 50. So we are receiving the money from Raj as a cash payment. Okay, so we have to treat it like that on 20th. So receipt side to Raj account. Okay, we are receiving in the form of cash, so we are adding with the cash 4950 by allowing the discount. So we are allowing the discount as 50. So it is understood that his outstanding payment is 5,000. Out of that, we are providing some 50 rupees discount for him, and we are receiving 4950 from the Raj account. Okay, the treatment should be like that. Let us take another example. Suppose we are receiving in a form of check as a full settlement from X on 22nd of rupees 9,950 by allowing the discount of 50 rupees and deposited on the same day. If we come across the transaction like this, we have to the same thing only on 22nd. I'm adding with my previous example. Okay, on 22nd, we have to write to X account. Okay, we have received as a check and deposited on the same day. So we can simply add with the bank column 9950 by allowing the discount. So we can add the discount column is 50. Okay, that is how we have to treat it. If the amount is received by cash, we have to add with the cash, and we have to add the discount and discount allowed. If the thing is received from the so and so person by check and it is deposited on the same day, then simply we can add with the bank. Suppose if it is that the deposited date is not mentioned, then we should not add with the bank. Rather, we have to add with the cash column. Okay, at the end of the month, we have to add the discount. That's it. At the end of the month, so when we are closing the 3-column cash book, we can only add. That's it. We need not to balance the discount allowed and discount received. We can only add and put the total value. That is how we have to prepare the 3-column cash book, and we have to treat the full settlement in 3-column cash book. Thank you so much for watching.